Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. So kids, in today's English class we are going to revise the lesson number 6 from your English grammar textbook. हम आज lesson number 6 को फिर से revise करेंगे. So the name of this lesson is use of was and were. So kids, in last class we discussed about the use of am, is, are. These were the helping verbs which are used in the present tense. Now was and were, today we are going to discuss about was and were. Then these helping verbs was and were are the helping verbs which are used in the past tense. Past tense में कौन से helping verbs use करते हैं? was, were. और प्रेजेंट टेंस में कौन से हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज़ करते हैं? प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम एम, इज और आर यूज़ करते हैं. सो विल डिस्कस कि नाउ व्हेन टू यूज़ हेल्पिंग वर्ब वाज एंड व्हेन टू यूज़ हेल्पिंग वर्ब वेयर. तो हमें पता चल गया कि पास्ट टेंस होगा तो वॉज और वेयर यूज़ करना है, बट वॉज और वेयर में से कौन सा कब यूज़ करना है इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो किड्स, पहले तो आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. सो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर दोज वर्ब्स विच हेल्प द मेन वर्ब टू डिस्क्राइब अबाउट द टेंस और द टाइम. किसी भी टाइम के बारे में या टेंस के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करना है तो वी नीड द हेल्प ऑफ दिस हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. जनरली दिस हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स डोंट हैव एनी मीनिंग. डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ वॉज? डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ वेयर? नहीं, इनको कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता. दे आर जस्ट यूज्ड to describe about the tense or the time. So past tense means when the event has happened in the past, that sentence is known as the past tense. अगर कोई भी चीज़ घट चुकी है, means already has happened. If any event has happened already, then the tense of that sentence will be past tense. अगर कोई भी घटना घट चुकी है already तो उसको कौन से टेंस में लिखेंगे हम? उसको हम पास्ट टेंस में लिखेंगे, उसको हम भूतकाल में लिखेंगे. उस सेंटेंस का टेंस will be the past tense. So when to use the helping verb was? For the singular nouns or the singular pronouns we use helping verb was. कोई भी singular noun या singular pronoun होगा उसके आगे हम was लगाते हैं in the past tense. And if we have the plural nouns or the plural pronouns then we use helping verb were along with them. कोई भी plural noun या प्लूरल प्रोनाउन आएगा तो उसके साथ हमने वेयर हेल्पिंग यूज करना है व्हेन इन दी पास्ट टेंस. सिर्फ पास्ट टेंस में आते हैं वॉज एंड वेयर. ओके, तो सिंगुलर नाउन और प्रोनाउन में वॉज यूज़ करना है, प्लूरल नाउन्स एंड प्रोनाउंस के साथ वेयर यूज़ करना है. नाउ व्हाट आर द सिंगुलर नाउन्स, सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस? जैसे कि सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस आर आई, ही, शी, इट, है ना. इनके साथ हमने लगाना है was. एंड व्हाट आर द प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस? प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस आर we, you. You can be used for singular as well as plural, but you के साथ हमेशा हमने very यूज़ करना है. you, very यूज़ होता है हमेशा. so plural pronouns are we, you and they. ठीक है. so whenever singular noun or pronoun we have to use was along with that, and whenever there is a plural noun or pronoun we have to use were with that. Now I will explain you these things with the help of few examples. So chapter number 6, use of was, were. So first sentence, see kids, Diksha and Radha. So Diksha and Radha, is it a singular noun? No, this is the plural noun because Diksha and Radha means there are two persons. यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं? 2 लोग हैं. That means this noun is the plural noun. यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात हो रही है. That means it is the plural. More than one means plural. Diksha and Radha, तो we have to use was or were after Diksha and Radha. Obviously this is plural noun, that's why we have to use the were. Helping verb क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? were. Diksha and Radha were studying mathematics yesterday. See kids, yesterday means कल. तो दीक्षा और राधा कल मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ रहे थे. yesterday means कल. So this event has happened yesterday. That means this event has happened in the past time. भूतकाल में ये घटना घट चुकी है. That is why we are using helping verb were. यहाँ पे आर नहीं आएगा. See kids, यहाँ पे आर आ सकता है क्या helping verb? दीक्षा and राधा are studying mathematics yesterday. No. Today होता तो आर आता, but yesterday, that means this event has happened in the past. That's why we have to use helping verb were. और were ही क्यों यूज़ करना है? past tense है तो was और were यूज़ करते हैं, but was और were में से हमने were ही क्यों यूज़ किया है? Because this noun Diksha and Radha is the plural noun. That's why we have to use were. Now second sentence. She was running very fast to catch a bus. So see, now she is the singular noun. Yes, हाँ, she मतलब किसी एक ही लड़की के बारे में बात हो रही है. She is used for the singular female person. तो इसीलिए she के साथ was जाएगा कि were जाएगा. What we supposed to use along with the she? We supposed to use helping verb was, because was is used for the singular pronouns. She was running very fast to catch a bus. यहाँ पे were नहीं आएगा. We are not going to use helping verb were यहाँ पे. We have to use helping verb was. Now the third sentence. I. So I is the singular pronoun or a plural pronoun? I is the singular pronoun. When we talk about ourselves, then we use the pronoun I. और I ये सिर्फ एक ही person के बारे में होता है pronoun. That is why I is the singular pronoun and we have to use was along with I. I के साथ कौन सा helping verb आएगा? I के साथ was आएगा. I were नहीं आएगा. I was आएगा. I was driving my car in the morning. So this event has happened in the morning. This event has already happened in the past टाइम. ये घटना जो है ये ऑलरेडी घट चुकी है, इसलिए यहाँ पे हमने was यूज़ किया है. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ सेंटेंस. यू वर लेट फॉर द ऑफिस. So you, I told you ना, whenever there is the pronoun you have to use helping verb were along with you. You के साथ were यूज़ करते. You was नहीं आएगा, you were आएगा. You were late for the office. Fifth one. They were reaching to Shimla on Monday. So they के साथ क्या आता है? They means the plural pronoun. They is the singular or the plural pronoun? Yes, they is plural pronoun. That's why along with they we have to use were. They were reaching to Shimla on Monday. Next sentence. Sudha was listening to the music. So see kids, Sudha is the singular noun or the plural noun? सुधा ये एक व्यक्ति का नाम है कि एक से ज़्यादा व्यक्ति का नाम है? सुधा इज़ द सिंगुलर नाउन. दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव टू यूज़ हेल्पिंग वर्ब was along with Sudha. Sudha was listening to the music. Next sentence. He was a nice person. So see kids, pronoun he is the singular pronoun. That is why along with the singular pronouns we use helping verb was. इसीलिए he के साथ was जाएगा, were नहीं जाएगा. He were नहीं आएगा, he was आएगा. He was a nice person. Next sentence. Dog was sitting near the door. So kids, look at this noun dog. जो यहाँ पे noun है dog, is it a singular or the plural? Yes, dog is the singular noun. That's why we have to use helping verb was along with this noun dog. Dog was sitting near the door. The ninth sentence is children were making noise in the class. See kids, यहाँ पे here the noun is children and we are using helping verb were along with children. So children is the singular or the plural noun? Yes, children is the plural noun. Children ये plural noun है. And what is the singular of the children? The singular of children is child. चिल्ड्रन का सिंगुलर नाउन क्या है? चाइल्ड. तो दैट इज वाई चिल्ड्रन इज द प्लूरल नाउन. वी हैव टू यूज वेयर अलॉन्ग विथ चिल्ड्रन. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस वी. वी इज द सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन और द प्लूरल प्रोनाउन? वी इज द प्लूरल प्रोनाउन. That is why we have to use helping verb where. We were looking for the good place to eat outside. Next sentence it. See it. It is the singular or plural pronoun? It is the singular pronoun. That is why along with it we have to use was. It was a good idea to play outside. So again I would like to revise that we use was and were in the past tense. If the event has happened in the past time or event has happened already, that time while writing a sentence we have to use helping verbs was and were. जब कभी भी हमें past tense में कोई भी sentence लिखना है तो हमें कौन से helping verbs की यूज़ करना है? was और were का यूज़ करना है. And the last sentence, that is the sentence number 12, my cousins. So kids, look at this noun, my cousins. This is the singular noun or the plural noun? Yes, my cousin नहीं है, my cousins है. Last में yes use किया है, yes. तो this means this is the plural noun. Whenever we add yes at the end of any noun, it becomes the plural. My cousins, that's why it's the plural noun. We have to use were along with it. My cousins were talking to me about their holidays. So because this is the plural noun, we have to use helping verb were along with my cousins. Okay kids, I hope you have understood when to use was and when to use were. In this way we have revised chapter number 6 and chapter number 5 from your English grammar textbook. So remember kids, in past tense we use helping verb was were. Past tense मतलब if the event has happened already or the event is happened in the past time. भूतकाल में या जो भी घटना है वो घट चुकी है ऑलरेडी, तो उसके लिए हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स कौन से यूज़ करने हैं? वॉज एंड वेयर. एंड इफ़ द इवेंट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम और करंट टाइम और इवेंट इज़ हैपनिंग राइट नाउ, तब हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज़ करने हैं एम, इज़, आर. वर्तमान काल में घटना घट रही है या अभी भी घटना कोई घट रही है तो हमने उसके लिए कौन से हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं? एम, इज़, आर. So try to note down the difference between the helping verbs used in the present tense and helping verbs used in the past tense. Okay kids, I hope you have understood everything clearly now, and if you have still doubts you can ask me. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.